Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the vlog.
Oh.
We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all.
Do you need ice with your coffee?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Hi everybody, welcome back to the vlog.
What? I already said that at the beginning.
Oh, I just wanted to say hi. We have taken a little bit of time off and we drove out to Prince Edward County last night.
It's kind of become our little escape, hasn't it? Like over the past 2 years of living in the van, anytime we're in Ontario and we've been working really hard in Toronto and like kind of fall back into that routine, we find ourselves driving out to Prince Edward County for even 2 days.
We saw a car on fire.
You would do that just to insert this clip.
It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air. And I don't even care. No, I don't even care anymore.
Anyways, we just wanted to say welcome back. Welcome to our day of resting and recharging, and we're gonna bring you along for some good old county fun. Let's go make some tea.
Sounds like we're from the bush, county fun.
As many of you know, this past month has been crazy for us. We worked an 11-day Christmas trade show that we work every year for our tea business. There goes the toothpaste. That takes a lot out of us. On top of that, we decided we would be crazy and launch a cookbook at the exact same time. So thank you for your patience with us being offline. We are excited to be back. We went to bed with neighbors last night, and this morning, neighborless. We could maybe say that it's because we slept in a little. I mean, it is almost 11 o'clock. So we are gonna go meet up with our neighbors. You guys might know these folks.
So the county refers to Prince Edward County, and it's only a couple hours away from Toronto. Typically a summer destination known for its wineries, right on the lake, Lake Ontario, and there's like a provincial park. It's very, very beautiful. Not typically known for its winter destinations. Until today. Oh, cute spot. Did you book out the place?
Yeah, right?
Just for you guys and a vlog. Alrighty, Vegemite, the squad is caffeinated and we're gonna host a little avocado toast brunch here at the Casa. Eamon is on toasting duty and we're just gonna do avocado with some hummus.
Little 8 Mom special.
Cheers, folks.
Christian just opened our side door and left it open, so now we've locked him out.
Alright, come back. Hey, whoa, whoa.
Eamon is so strict about that.
So strict.
But Christian,
Because now you're gonna step on that. I get it.
and then
like protecting you and being sweet.
no, and then he'll be the first one to step.
At you last night. He was like, "Beck, what are you doing?" Beck?"
Exactly.
He made the rule.
No,
This is what happened last night.
It's
I'm gonna
not
defend
true.
back because like there was this many boots. You can't stand
That
while there's
many
so many
boots
boots.
is fine. Yes, you can.
No, you literally can't. And Beck had 1 foot in here.
Thank
and
you,
had her
Christian.
foot right here was taking
Yep.
off her boot, and
Snow
Eamon's like,
going
"Beck,
everywhere.
get back on the mat. What are you doing?"
The whole point is that you don't touch the. It's like lava. It's a game.
Okay,
You can't touch the lava.
lava.
Yeah.
I don't know what lava is. What's lava?
Lava?
Lava.
Lava.
Sorry, I'm really sorry I stepped on the lava.
Yeah, well now you have to suffer and your socks will be wet and you'll be cold for the rest of the day.
So in Prince Edward County, there are a ton of antique stores like within the little towns where you're kind of paying retail prices, and if you drive a little bit further out, you'll find consignment stores and What is the other word for a consignment store? How do you say Post Malone?
I say Elton John, huh?
How do you say Argentina, Aubrey?
Hey, what part of Argentina are you from, man?
Very cute.
Is you bisexual?
Noble English.
Can I show you what I thought was really cool?
What?
This traffic light works.
No way.
Yeah.
Go away.
Secret velvet
We
case.
just love velvet cases, actually. I really think this will go well. Ooh, a little resale.
Very cool.
What do you think, vlog? Should I buy it? Let me know in the comments, should I buy this?
What we've been learning is this time of year, most places are closed in the county, or
Just giving Porky a call.
You want to run up and see knocking the door?
I was just gonna call Porky.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah?
Hey, we're just pulled out front. We're wondering if we could have a look at some of your stuff.
Well, I'll be out. Just a minute.
Alrighty, no problem.
Say that again, sorry.
I'm looking for a coffee table, ideally.
Yeah, I heard you.
We're vlogging though, so I gotta repeat it twice when the camera's on.
Everything's kind of jumped up because I'm really close.
Do you think that surprises us?
It's all jumped up anyway.
How many rooms are showing us here?
Open the doors.
Alright.
Cool, let's gander over at the start.
We'll start at the start.
I haven't heard the word gander since I was in Texas.
Porky, you have outdone yourself.
Okay.
Porky needs a couple more lights in there. Whoa!
Panic, where are you at?
Check this out. World War I Army helmet?
Whoa!
I can barely fit my butt into that.
Eamon's new hobby has been deconstructive art with old cameras.
Yep.
We'll show you guys his first piece when we get back to the office, but
This
now
one's
he's
very
finding
fun.
old Polaroids. Hey guys, that's okay.
I can be a poop funnel.
Maybe 20? 20 for all of them?
Don't go so cheap. Been all over the world.
Let's go 25. We'll call it 25, eh?
All right.
Hey!
We stopped here.
Say cheese.
This guy is so
I
hyped
think
on
this
his
one's
new.
my favorite.
You have so many useless cameras.
I'm stoked.
Okay, let's go. Peck is known for its wineries and its amazing food, so we're gonna take the crew to our favorite winery called Hinterland.
Ooh, shout out
Let's
to Hinterland,
roll.
huh?
Shout out to Hinterland. Captain, you have arrived.
No, you can bring it. Sorry, dude.
I was going to complain because I was holding the walkie, and I just remember that it's my walkie.
Yeah,
Before in Mexico,
Yeah.
I haven't held my own walkie in months and months.
You ask me permission every time you can have
Every
it.
time I hold my own walkie.
Well, you probably forgive me because I brought my camera to take photos. Hello.
It's -6, or what does it say in there? Oh, only -5. So cold. So cold. Okay, wait. Can I tell you about this dinner spot?
Yeah.
So Eamon and I have this thing where as soon as we met and started traveling, anytime I wasn't with him, he would tell me he'd had the best dining experience of his life.
It's only a thing in her head.
There's been many instances, but last year we came to the county with Eamon's family around Christmas time, and I had to go back for a friend's wedding, dress rehearsal. And when I left, Eamon and his family said they had the best dining experience of their entire lives. We're about to go and check out whether that's the actual best dining experience of their lives. Did that make any sense? I'm so cold, it hurts.
We've got about a half an hour to kill, so I put in a brewery closest. It's called Strange Brewing Co., and it's basically someone's house. This might be it though. Hello. Strange Brewing Co.
It is.
Very strange. I like it.
And he brought a camera. Welcome to Strange.
Sweet, man. Perfect. Hi, everybody.
Hi.
This is just for our vlog on YouTube, so don't worry about him. He's just gonna hang out.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Right on. I think that's pretty cool.
Welcome to the Brew Studio.
Where's the other camera? How are you?
How are you?
Hello.
Hi, I'm Dave.
Hello, Christian. Nice to meet you.
Christian,
My name's
nice to meet you.
Like Christian's gonna love this spot.
Oh, very cozy.
These are separators for wine bottles when they come in bulk.
Yeah.
So we repurpose those. Built a 2x4 wall. Insulated out with pink insulation. And then on the inside is rigid foam insulation. The air conditioner, normal air conditioning unit with a cool bot. tricks the AC into thinking it's warmer than it is, and it runs down. Normally it's about 40, 39 Fahrenheit. or less.
Don't let this scare you away from Dave's, okay? This ghetto setup. Beer's just as good.
Man, this is high tech. Look out for spots. We could have
If you guys are around Peck, that is an experience you don't want to miss. Strange Brewing Co. Very strange.
You guys might be thinking we're going for a really late dinner, seeing as it's pitch black outside. But in Canada this time of year, the shortest day of the year is coming up December 21st. So it's only 6 p.m., but it honestly feels like bedtime because it's so dark. We're starting the evening off with a soup and some chickpea fries. Each couple had to get their own bowl because you know how we do. We cannot share food with Matneys.
It's a tomato bean.
Black bean.
Is that balsamic vinegar on top? And then the chickpea fries are like chickpea flour. And they're actually really crispy, really soft on the inside. Whoa.
Thank you. Times 4.
I do wanna cheers the Matneys for just being, but this might not go in the vlog, but for being just amazing people that we can count on to get us through the, you know, biggest trade show year after year. And we'll see you next year.
Awesome.
I love you guys.
Hello?
Hi, is this Jilson Wilson Tilsonberg? Senor, do you want dos más roibos, toy?
Te.
Dos drivers or uno? Hey, dos. Por favor.
Para dos.
Gracias.
Okay, dos, para, bueno.
The boys have just kicked the girls out of the comfy zone to play a round of...
A round of check back in 5 minutes and we'll see how this game's going.
An hour later, the boys have finished their chess game, and I've kicked them out of my van, so they're gonna go over to Christian and Aubrey's van to rematch.
It's now 5:30 a.m. I've lost every single game. Good night, homies.
I didn't win. I lost 2 more.
We're finishing the day exactly where it started, in our comfy flannel PJs and in our comfy flannel bedding right on the beach in the county. And we just want to say thank you so much for watching today's vlog. It has been so much fun taking you along again, and we will be back with new videos. Are we hitting it hard, or are we gonna come slow back? What are we doing?
We're going hard.
We're gonna be back with van life fun vlogs on Wednesdays and Sundays, and Freestyle Fridays on Friday. Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. Okay, we love you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and
Just like a fart in the wind, we're gone.
please support our business.
Chaiwalachai.com.
Oh, let us have a sip. Oh, let us have a sip.
A sip?
A sip of chai.
Oh, I thought you said sail. I said we're not going on sail.